My name's Anthony. We're out here in Arvada, and we are talking about an amazing view. It's ARCM Roofing, and we've got some pretty crazy stuff going on. We had some incredible winds out here, which we've done some videos on in the past. But we've got some good stuff going on here now where we're replacing the roof, and we've got some new shingles going on. We've got underlayment here being put on as well. We only use the best. We are installing a class 4 hail resistant shingle that's not only going to do you good for the rated at a 2-inch hail resistant shingle, but it's also going to save you money on your homeowner's insurance, 28%. My name is Anthony with ARCM Roofing, and I can be reached at 303-306-8334. And I also can be visited at www.arcmroofing.com. Have a great day, guys. We look forward to hearing from you.